Are you ready to find the perfect wedding dress just for you? Do you wonder if you can afford what you picture in your mind? In this video, you'll learn what to look for fit, style, and your budget. By the end, you'll be able to make the perfect choice for your wedding dress. Let's start with finding the perfect fit. Your wedding dress should feel like a natural extension of you while you're able to effortlessly move around throughout your day. Walk, sit, and move during fittings to test for comfort. Plan for multiple fittings, especially if your dress is custom made. Watch for common fit issues, such as strapless dresses, slipping, or fitted gowns bunching when you sit. Set aside a budget for alterations ranging from $100 to $500, depending on the complexity. Choose fabrics that complement your wedding season, lightweight for summer and heavier fabrics for winter. Next, let's talk about wedding dress options to match your style, but also your budget. Designer gowns. If you're after luxury, look to designers like Vera Wang. For savings, consider trunk shows where you can find designer gowns at discounts. Off the rack. Ready-to-wear dresses are perfect for brides on a tight timeline, with stylish options available at stores like David's Bridal. Online shopping. Convenient for browsing styles, online retailers like Beholden or Etsy offer a wide range of dresses. Just remember to factor in shipping times and any alterations. Now, let's set a budget. Avoid the stress of falling in love with a dress that is out of your price range. Most wedding dresses range from $1,000 to $3,000, with designer gowns costing much more. Don't forget to account for additional costs like veils, shoes, and undergarments. Set a total dress budget that includes alterations, which can add between $100 to $500 to the overall cost. Looking for ways to save money without compromising on style? Here are some budget-friendly options. Rentals. Services like Rent the Runway offer designer gowns at a fraction of the price. Find high-end styles for less on websites like Still White or Nearly Newlywed. Bridal boutiques often hold sample sales where gowns from previous seasons are sold at significant discounts. Finally, let's answer some common questions about wedding dress shopping. Bring comfortable undergarments, a strapless bra, and shoes with a similar heel height to your wedding shoes. Yes, many bridal shops offer customization options, such as adding sleeves or adjusting the fit. Off-the-rack dresses are ready immediately, while made-to-order gowns take months to complete. Ready to start your dress search? Now that you know how to find the perfect wedding dress, download our sizing chart so you know your measurements before you go shopping. Visit our blog for more expert tips and guidance. Thanks for watching.